Anurag, let's proceed forward. So, I would like to interact with you. Welcome on YourPedia, Anurag.
Thank you, sir.
And you are doing your master's in IIT Kharagpur in
Yes, sir.
cryogenics. You are a mechanical engineer. So, I would like to know about your background and how you got this particular, specialization, and which round did you get it. So, please tell me, Anurag, from which part of India you are and from where you done your graduation.
Sir, actually, basically, I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I have
Hmm.
done my B.tech in mechanical in Amrita Vishwavidyapeeth of Kerala.
Okay. Hmm.
Yes, sir. So I have
Okay.
passed out in 2025,
Hmm.
and
And
like
then. Hmm.
basically I started my gate preparation during September ending for
Hmm.
gate XC
Hmm.
because like I have less time, so I chose to take XC than mechanical
Hmm.
because like in
Hmm.
XC we have a option that we can only write two subjects like fluid or thermo or
Hmm.
materials or as solids, strength of materials. So I chose
Hmm.
fluid and thermo as my
Hmm.
main
Hmm.
course, and we have aptitude and maths.
Hmm.
So in that way, I prepared for myself from YouTube. I started my preparation through YouTube and learning from old questions and all, solving those things. So that
Hmm.
helped me a lot. And during January, I started giving test series. Like I
Hmm.
didn't take any own
Hmm.
like payment subscription for test series. I
Hmm.
had created my own Google Forms for
Hmm.
questions and
Hmm.
all. So I
Okay.
started solving them on my own. I kept a
Hmm.
timer and so I started
Hmm.
solving those. So that helped
Hmm.
me a lot.
Hmm. Okay, so Anurag, you have written only with XC, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and so can you tell us what was your gate score in XC?
So gate score was 528.
Okay, and what were the marks in XC?
So in next year I got around 49.66.
Okay. And Anurag, with this particular Axis score, can you brief us like where are you eligible? I believe you are eligible in many, many courses, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So
So,
basically,
so
like,
yeah,
yes, sir.
go ahead.
Okay. So basically, my area of interest was naturally like cryogenics or naval architecture. So those were
Hmm.
my area of interest where I want to go. But apart from that, we are eligible for many other like material science if you want to go. But the thermal, if you want to go, there are many NITs where we can get in thermal and all.
Hmm.
So they are like, I mean, like if it's you're interested there, for from mechanical point of view, it is less because for mechanical we can apply for many others. But for XC also you have like you have aerospace also you can apply through aerospace. You have like some
Okay.
data like DS and all those also we have some eligibility, some seats are there.
Hmm.
It also
Hmm.
depends on which subject we are choosing. Either we are
Hmm.
choosing thermal and fluid or structural or material
Hmm.
science. So that
Hmm.
also they'll check whether we are choosing any one of this. It depends on which exam you are writing next. See which course you have taken, which subject you have taken.
Okay, so what was your BTech CGPA, Anurag?
So my CGPA was 8.82.
Hmm. So such a wonderful CGPA and gate score, as you said in XC. Did you apply for masters in research programs also, MS research programs also?
Like I do applied, but for in the first round itself I got cryogenics,
Hmm.
M.tech Cryogenics. So I didn't go for further rounds.
Okay.
It was like I was
So,
interested in cryogenics and I got it in my first round. And for
so in the
cryogenics we
very
have to
first
give
round of COPE round you are talking about, huh?
yes sir, co-prong.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And for
Okay.
cryogenics you have to give interview, sir.
Okay. So now I'm coming to that part only. So please tell my viewers about cryogenics and what is this course all about and which other branch of engineering students join this cryogenics.
So, sir, actually, cryogenics is mostly about the permanent gases. So, they are like oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, helium. So, these gases are permanent gases. These are called permanent because it can't be liquefied when we are applying pressure. Normally, we see if we apply pressure to any fluid, it becomes liquid. It's our view. But the problem is, this can't be liquid if you apply only pressure. So, any fluid which gets liquefied below 123 Kelvin, this is of cryogenics. This area, anything which can be liquefied below 123 Kelvin, is comes under
Mm,
cryogenics. So there are many
Okay.
liquids like
Mm,
helium, hydrogen, nitrogen, and all.
mm.
So the
So why
study
were
of
you
this,
interested in cryogenics? As you said, you were interested in cryogenics. Why?
yes sir. So basically, I was interested because during my B.tech M.tech. Like for when I was studying about, we are doing in the fourth year, and we had to search our own projects. So I was going through many other different fields, and I was looking after sloshing and all. Then I came under, like, sloshing was done in many other different cryogenics, ships and all. So when I was reading about cryogenics and all, so I got interested. I got interest very much, like learning about them. It was, I was curious about it, because we
mm,
have never seen anything such low temperatures and all,
okay.
and it has so
Mm,
much applications in the coming world,
mm,
upcoming generations. They have so many applications.
Okay, so Anurag, other than mechanical engineers, what other branch of students are there with you in cryogenics?
So actually for cryogenics, it's interdisciplinary. So many
Okay.
people comes from electrical, physics background,
Mm,
chemical background. These three
okay.
are the more like other departments where they can come, because like physics we have like superconductors and all those comes, and
Yes.
electrical are there, chemicals. So these are more other department students who can come to our departments mostly.
Mm. Okay, and what career opportunities typically student will get once he graduate from cryogenics?
So once we graduate from cryogenics, so we have like, if you want to go for government sectors, we have ISRO and
Mm,
all. So they are working on
okay.
many cryogenics engines and all.
Mm,
So they are there,
okay.
and we have like different private companies like Inox, Sterlings and all, so which works on cryogenics. And even if you want to go for pharma and pharmaceutical, and even this oxygen supplies and all, we have in hospitals we supply liquid oxygens and all. So the
Mm,
companies which make liquid oxygen, those are also needed. And
mm,
even we study here about vacuums and all, vacuum technology, which is actually needed for cryogenics, to make cryogenics.
mm,
So if you learn
mm,
vacuum and all, so
mm,
there's we are upcoming like hyperloop and all. So in
mm,
hyperloop we use vacuum, so that area we are mostly interested, like we can go through.
mm, okay. And Anurag, now coming to IIT Kharagpur, it's a reputed institute, one of the oldest IIT of India. So please tell us something about M.tech research or MS programs in IIT Kharagpur. Do we have these programs there?
Yes, so there are MS programs here, MS
Mm,
and MTech. And up from calling, I mean, talking about the college, the area is very big. Like the campus itself is like a one city itself among itself. It's around 2,000 acres or more than that. And there are
mm,
many events happening, many
mm,
opportunities for a student. If you want to explore, you want to learn any different things, there are many things to explore here. Here,
mm,
the even the faculties are helpful. You can go to another faculty from other department and ask them doubts. They'll help you out in any way. If you show some interest, if we show dedication, interest, they'll help how much they can. So there is no restriction. Even academic block is open 24/7.
okay.
So we can go around, we can meet many people. They are different from different backgrounds. We can interact with them. So
Mm.
those types of things are there.
Okay. And something about the life of students in the campus, like number of hostels and what kind of life students lead in IIT Kharagpur?
Yes, sir. So actually, in IIT Kharagpur, the students are free. They can roam around inside the campus whenever they want. It's open whenever we can go to hostel and the other hostel and all. There are many
Mm,
number of student hostels. Like I am staying in Triple Madan Mohan Malviya hostel. There is LPS, LLR, Patel
mm,
hostel. So if the hostel names itself is from the freedom fighters who are given.
mm,
So one inspiration comes to us like, okay, we are living such a people's name, hostel name. And even in campus life, if you want to say, there is like events are happening, and even we can go roam around the campus. It's like totally secure campus. There are securities everywhere. Even the night times there are securities, like they'll take care if you are going some, like in, and there are some places where night time some animals comes, so they'll be there, securities will be there, they'll protect us, like they'll guard us, like don't go that side and all. So those
okay.
types of things are there, sir.
Wonderful. And Anurag, any you started exploring options and very first option you got it. After that, I don't think you tried for CCMT and all, right?
No, sir.
Okay. So any advice, piece of advice you would like to give to the students, prospective students of IIT Kharagpur, or any input you want to give them?
Yes, sir. I want to give to us, particularly suppose he is studying something. So I want to tell them, whenever they want to learn something, but stick to a particular topic in which they are interested and learn that skill completely. Don't go jump from one skill to another skill. Don't jump like don't learn it completely. And if you want to explore more, you can go for further any other tools, like I mean in mechanical we say ANSYS, SolidWorks and all. If you are interested in design, go for that, go learn that skill completely. Don't abandon it, just learn for few time and leave it. So it will not help for further growth. And if you are
Mm-hmm.
interested in something, listen to your heart, what you want to do. Don't listen to others, like what they are saying. If you are interested, trust, have a trust, give your 100%. If it is success or failure, give your 100%. You will know what you have done wrong, where you have a mistake, then you can improve accordingly. Don't just stick like someone has told this is wrong, so don't stuck like okay this I can't do. If you are willing to do, give your 100%, success will come automatically.
Wonderful. That is good. So, Anurag, I'm sure students will listen to this. And you are the student who explored this option with XC score. And I'm very sure students with XC score have a lot of opportunities and options,
Yes sir.
as you mentioned in the beginning. And cryogenics is certainly one of these options. And there are a lot of opportunities after that also. So, Anurag, typically after cryogenics, what options student explore and what options do they get for them?
Okay, like in the job perspective man, or
Even
yes.
for higher education and all, suppose somebody wants to proceed even forward after
Yes sir.
this thing cryogenics. Yeah.
So, sir, actually, in our suppose we have completed our first sem. So, if you so here the option is we have many DAD scholarships. Some we can go
Mm,
international internships and all. So we have that option. If your CGPA is high, if you have a good CGPA, we can go apply for that. You can give interview and we can go higher.
mm,
We can go
mm,
there, give internship. We'll get international exposure. How the
mm,
things are working there and everything that we'll get to know. And
mm,
even here, if you are interested, you can actually do your own. Like here there are many clubs which work on research, so you can join that clubs and do your own research work if you are interested. Those all
mm,
opportunities are there. So those fields
wonderful.
are here. And
Mm,
even if you want to convert into your PhD, here you
mm,
have option like after your second semester, if your CGPA
mm,
is above 8, then you
mm,
can convert into PhD and
PhD.
continue.
Wonderful. Okay, Anurag. So I think that is whatever information I wanted to take. You have provided very meticulously that entire information. So I thank you for the time you spared today for this session, and I'm very sure the
Thank you,
kind
sir.
of inputs which you have provided will really be helpful for students who are going to explore the opportunities after their GATE exam. So thanks a lot once again, and I wish you all the very best for
Yes,
your
sir.
master's program ahead. Thank you.